When we wish to distribute similar objects in a certain way, we can do it quickly if we use one of AutoCAD's array tools. There are three types of arrays in AutoCAD: the rectangular array, the polar array, and the path array. We can create 2D patterns using the array tools, but we can also create 3D patterns with the very same tools. In this video, we will learn how to create arrays in 3D space. In the drawing area of the open file, you can see a rectangular array. A rectangular array distributes object copies into any combination of rows, columns, and levels. The array in the example consists of 3 rows, 5 columns, and 3 levels. To create a similar array, I will activate the Rectangular Array tool. The Rectangular Array tool can be found in the Modify panel of the Home ribbon. Alternatively, you can type Array, the command line, and press Enter to activate it. Once the tool is active, I have to select the objects I want to distribute, so I will select the box and press Enter. As soon as I press Enter, a preview of the rectangular array with 4 columns and 3 rows of boxes appeared. Furthermore, the Array Creation ribbon appears with all the necessary settings for the array. In the Columns panel, I can specify the number of boxes in its row and either the distance between them or the total distance the entire row will cover. Now it changed the value in the Columns field to 5 and the value in the Between field to 4. Notice that the value in the Total field was updated automatically. In this way, each row will have 5 boxes, and the distance between the boxes will be 4 units. Next, I will move on to the Rows panel and I will increase the number of rows to 4. I will also set the distance between them to 2, and notice that the value in the Total distance field is updated automatically. So now there are 4 rows, and the distance between them is 2 units. In the Levels field of the Levels panel, I can define the number of levels on the Z-axis. I will type the number 3 in the Levels field, and then I will also change the value in the Between field to 2.5. Again, the value in the Total field was updated automatically, as you can see. At this point, the array has 3 levels, and the distance between those levels is 2.5 units. I should mention that the distance is measured from the base of the first object to the base of the second object. Once I make all the changes I want and the array is how I wanted it to be, I will click on Close to deactivate the tool and see the final result.